Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, let's see anong merong sitwasyon sa inyo ng person on your mind, no? Whoever that person. And then, of course, message or advice from your inner self and from universe. So, let's start, water sign. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, water sign, no? Sa sitwasyon ninyo ng iyong person, no? So, tignan natin. 3 cards, no? Kuha tayo, please. 3 cards for the water signs. So, ano kaya ang meron na sitwasyon ng mga water signs natin, no? Today, no? Sa kanilang relationship. Whatever, connection, friendship, no? Family man ito, right? So, let's see. So, no, you have this, trust in me, everything will be all right. No? So, there is someone who is, wants you to trust them, no? So, parang gusto niya ay ma-feel mo na secure ka, no? Something like that, water sign, no? So, ito yung parang nakikita ko dito. And what more? What else? I mean, no? So, but then, what is this? I hate you're not single, no? So, no, for some of you, no, I don't know who is this, no, but then because naiisip mo itong tao na ito, no, so maybe you are the one thinking of this, no, you are thinking of someone who is not single anymore, no. So, tingnan pa natin. Please accept my true love for you. Oh my God, no, so meron ditong in love, mga water sign, no? Maybe merong gustong mag-propose dito, no? Something like that. Or may magtatapat, no? Something like that, no? So, parang may mga ngako sa inyo, mga water sign. I don't know. Ikaw ba ito? Or kung sino man tong person na nasa isip nyo, no? Something like that, no? Kasi meron ditong hindi na single. But then, I think I don't know, for me, this is a third party. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe, dalawang senaryo ang nakuha natin. May isang hindi na single ang taong nagugustuhan. And then, the other one is merong magtatapat ng feelings for you, water sign, no? So, take what's resonate, no? So, for some of you, kung saan kayo mas nakaka-relate, no? Maybe, some of you ay dealing with someone na single, no? Or kung sino man, isa sa inyo ay may pamilyado na and then the other one is single, no? Something like that, no? So, whoever is single is medyo siya yung nagsasabi na naiinis siya dahil yung gusto niyang tao ay hindi na single, no? Something like that. And the other situation is, yun nga, is someone wants to confess his or her true feelings for you, water sign, no? So, take what's resonate, vice versa, no? Maybe ikaw din to, nag-iisip kang mag-confess sa person na you have interest in, no? Yan, no? Mag-o-offer ka ng love, no? Something like that. So, yan, no? Parang nakaka-excite naman ito, no? So, merong confess ng feelings, no? Someone will confess soon, no? So, take what's resonate kung sino lang makaka-relate dito, no? So, maganda naman din, no? So, tignan natin anong message from your inner self, mga water sign. 2 cards for the water signs, please. Universe, Holy Spirit. So, dalawa agad, no? So, tignan natin ano yan. So, you have, tatlo. Oh, tatlo ang lumabas, no? So, meron dito. Tignan na lang natin to. So, you have this gift, no? For some of you, water sign, no? Sinasabi ng inner self mo dito is, baka mahilig kayong magbigay ng regalo, no? So, or, nagpaplano kayo na magbigay ng gift, no, to someone, no? Sinasabi ng iyong inner self dito is Tignan nga natin to, kung ano man ito. Because 'di ba kung makikita mo ay magkaibang ano to isang parang mythical creature kasi mermaid, right? And then a human being here, no? So, very mysterious, no? So, for some of you, maybe, as nasabi ng inner self, no, ay someone will be giving a gift, no? Merong may magbibigay ng regalo, or kung ikaw man ito, water sign, magbibigay ka ng regalo, something like that. Kung sino man ang makaka-receive ng regalo or may magbibigay ng regalo ay very mysterious to, no? So, something like that, no? So, whatever it is, no, maybe ay, for me, parang sinasabi ng inner self mo dito is, before accepting is pag-isipan mo ng mabuti. Something like that, because with this creature, no, a mermaid is a mythical creature, no, so very mysterious, no, deceiving type, no, na gift, no, so this is a warning, no, for some of you water sign to think before accepting any gifts from others, no, kilala mo man ito or hindi, kung bigla lang siyang magbibigay ng gift, alamin mo totoong dahilan bakit, para saan ito. Something like that, no? Huwag kayong masyadong magpapadala sa mga sweet talks, no? Something like sweet messages or sweet kung whatever man yan. Be aware, no? Something like that, no? So, and the other one is judgment, no? So, inner self ay message or advice, no? With the authenticity, I think is magkaano to, no? Pwedeng magkaduktong to, no? Magka-connect sila. So, kasi for some of you, maybe kung makikita mo, no? Parang with this judgment, parang for some of you lang, dalawa kasi yung medyo nakikita ko dito, water sign, no? So, the other one, yung you are looking at the mirror, no? For some of you, maybe may insecurities ka sa sarili mo, something like that, because ito ay medyo chubby, yung the other one is sexy, no, something like that, slim, no, yeah, for some of you water sign, may mga insecurities kayo sa katawan nyo, no, but then kung makikita mo, kung halimbawa you are chubby, no, you are still beautiful, no, inside, outside, yeah. Wala kayong pinagkaiba kung slim man itong nakikita mo, gusto mong mangyari. Ikaw pa rin naman yan Pumayat ka man, ikaw pa din yan. So don't be insecure, no? Kasi maganda ka, gwapo ka. Something like that, no? So nasabi ng inner self mo dito, magkaroon ka ng confidence, no? Something like that, no? Wag mong i-judge yung sarili mo, no? Literal, no? Wag mong dinajudge kasi yung ibang tao ay hindi ganyan ang tingin sa'yo. Nagagandahan or nagwagwapuhan yan sa'yo. No? Something like that. Or, and then, the other one naman na nakikita ko dito ay may malaking pagbabagong physically, no? For some of you water sign, no? Ang nangyayari, no? There is a transition, no? Happening sa iyong sarili, no? Maraming pagbabago, physically, mentally, no? Or of course, spiritually rin, no? For some of you with this, no? Parang may mga, may tawag sa ganito na stone, something, or nakalimutan ko, no? Cleansing to for cleansing ng energy to something like that. So, spiritually, mentally, physically, no? Malaki ang pagbabago for some of you, fire sign, no? Water sign, no? There is this huge transition happening, no? So, yan, no? Meron talagang pagbabago, and I think it's magandang pagbabago ang nangyayari, no? For some of you, water sign, no? And the other one is this authenticity, no? So, yan, no? And then, may connected din dun sa insecurities, no? So, for some of you, may mga insecurities ka nga talaga sa sarili mo, water sign. But then, don't be, no? So, kung makikita mo rito, iba-iba yan, no? Iba-ibang lahi, iba-ibang itsura, may chubby, may payat, no? Iba-iba din ang gender. Whoever you are, whatever you are, be proud of yourself because you are authentic. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang katangian, no? Dahil binigay yan sa atin ng Diyos, right? So, wag nating ikahiya. Instead, be proud, no? Kasi lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang skills, kanya-kanyang talent, kanya-kanyang uniqueness, no? Sa ating sarili. Whatever you are, gender man itong itinatago mo, no, don't be, no? Be proud of yourself. Wag kang mahiya, wag mong isipin ang sasabihin ng ibang tao, ang isipin mo yung sarili mo. Kasi ikaw yung nahihirapan kapag may tinatago ka sa sarili mo, 'di ba? Ikaw lang nagsasuffer, hindi ibang tao. Right? Mas importante sa ngayon, love yourself. So you can be proud of yourself, whoever you are. Kapag mahal mo ang sarili mo, wala kang pakialam sa ibang tao kasi mahal mo sarili mo. And this is what you are. So, who cares, no? 'Di ba? Something like that, no? So, ayun ang sinasabi ng inner self mo. Mahalin mo yung sarili mo. I-accept mo ang sarili mo. Something like that, no? So, tignan pa natin anong message or advice from the universe or ni God, no, sa'yo, water sign. 2 cards again here, no, for you, water sign, para sa advice or message, no? Nag-flip ang mga cards. Message ni universe for you, water sign, no? Kuha tayo, 2 cards for you, message or advice ni universe for you, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, please. What are the messages or advice for the water signs, please, universe, Holy Spirit, please. 2 cards for the advice for the water signs. Again, yes. No? So, please, universe, Holy Spirit, give them some advice, no? Message or advice ninyo po para sa ating mga. So, you have one na, no? So, one more card, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, for the water signs, please. One more card, no? One more card, please. One more card. So, parang nasabi na kasi lahat din ni inner self mo, no? Water sign, no? So, wala na talaga, no? So, isa na lang siguro yung magiging message or advice sa'yo ni universe, water sign. So, what is this? So, you have this, claim your energy, no? So, for some of you, water signs, no? So, yeah, no? Claim your energy. So, meaning ay, yun nga, connect with yourself, no? Something like that, no? So, maybe ay hindi mo na talaga napapansin din ang sarili mo, no? Nakatuon ka lagi sa ibang tao, no? Something like that because may mga insecurities ka, something like that, no? So, yeah, lagi kang nakatuon sa ibang tao, no? For some of you, water sign. So, why na? Kumbaga, claim your energy. Your energy, you're giving it away to the people around you because lagi sila yung inuuna mo, laging sila yung iniisip mo, no? So, this time, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe is to prioritize yourself. Claim your energy back. 'Di ba? Ikaw naman, unahin mo naman ang sarili mo. Something like that. Unahin mo naman, alagaan mo, mahalin mo ang sarili mo, water sign, no? With the sun here and the moon here, no? You have both night and day and night, no? You have it all, right? But then you are giving it away to others. So, you have to claim it back because what is yours, di ba? Ikaw yung nauubusan dito, water sign. Bigay ka ng bigay, bigay ka ng bigay, right? So, claim your energy back. So, ayun yung sinasabi dito ni universe. limit, limit, limit yourself, no? Love yourself more, no? So for some of you, spend more time alone, no? Siguro kailangan mo talaga ng time alone, no, sa iyong sarili. Take a vacation for some of you, 'di ba? Adventure trip for some of you, alone, no? Para mas ma-feel mo naman yung sarili mo, hindi palaging iba na lang ang pina-priority mo, no? Yeah. So ayan ang message sa iyo ni Universe Water Sign. So I hope may mga naka-resonate dito sa ating reading today, no? So, yeah. Lagi lang kayo, 'di ba? Nakikita talaga ni God anong ginagawa natin lagi. So, talagang gusto niya ay lagi tayong maayos, no? Nasa tamang path tayo ng buhay natin, no? So, ginagabayan niya tayo with these readings talaga ay nakakatulong sa akin. Malaking bagay yung naitulong ng reading sa akin dito before na lagi lang din akong nanonood, something like that. Ang laking bagay. Mas nagkaroon ako ng deeper connection kay God, no? So, yeah. That's it for you, mga water sign, no? So, always pray lang and God bless you all, mga water sign. And thank you, water signs.